First, I'm going to start with cutting the back of it. I'm going to use some mustard as a binder. So I'm just going to slap it all in there. Get it all nice and covered up. And now you give it a nice massage. You give it another massage and get it all in there. This stuff is good. I'm just going to sprinkle it in there. Make sure you get it all covered up. You're going to erase this, get the skin in there. Get it in there. Make sure you get it all inside the chicken. That way you get all that flavor in there. Now I'm going to stick some butter inside here on both sides. Get it all in there. Fire up the smoker at 225 degrees. I'll open up the smoker. Now I'm going to put a probe right inside the breast. I'm going to smoke the chicken for an hour at 225 degrees, and then I'm going to crank up the heat to 350. It's nice and juicy. Look at that. That looks so good. Look at all those juices in there. Look at that. That looks really good.